I do my eye makeup off with it. She's really crazy.
Okay, we're gonna do a demonstration on this VeryThing remover that kind of removes everything. And this is really like, it's the semi-permanent, right?
Yes, and we let it dry into my skin.
Yeah, we did. And the thing is with the VeryThing, you just need like, I'm using toilet paper, but it is clean. Like it's unused toilet paper.
Thank God.
And you just put a little bit on, right? Just a little bit on. And then you just remove it. And it just...
It's amazing. Isn't it amazing?
Look at
and
it.
It's just a little bit of oil in it, so it actually makes your skin feel nice when you're done.
Right. It's real. It's a silicone dimethicone, so it evaporates and it just leaves it very like kissable. You know, like
she's nuts. Just saying now.
Well,
but the thing is, it takes everything off, and people that have eyelashes, it won't hurt people that have extensions to use this to take their eye makeup off. We know you have to be really careful with that.
And it takes off the strips, right?
Yeah,
strips.
So everything. You can take anything. I don't use it like on my face, but I use it on, I do my eye makeup off with it. She's really crazy. And my mascara. Which if I wear mascara on the bottom, I use it to take
So
that
can
off.
they order it from us?
They can.
Yeah.
100%. Yeah, great. Cheers.
Cheers.